In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an error occurred. Please try again error on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to use your Twitch account or log into your Twitch account, but each and every time you encounter this error, then most likely your app might have experienced a glitch that you need to be fixed. To fix it, just follow these steps. First, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down and look for apps or all apps option. Tap on it to open and go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch, and if you tap on it, this will take you to the app info page. At this point, now go to force stop and OK, and finally go to clear data, clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Restart your smartphone and also ensure that you are not using any VPN app or any recently installed security app. If you have any of these, uninstall them temporarily to see if your Twitch app works without issue. Go ahead, open your Twitch app, and now everything should be up and running without any problem. However, at this point, if nothing works, then go to your smartphone and look for Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone, and here tap on it to open and search for Twitch app on your smartphone. From this, if you have any update your app to the latest version. However, if this does not work and you have ensured that you have stable internet connection, take a further step and try to log into your Twitch account using your web browser. So you can either use Firefox or Google Chrome or any browser that you have on your phone to log into your account, see if it works. But should this also fail, then most likely Twitch might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, and now if you try to log into your account, everything should be working without any problem. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.